Isabel. You want to say hello to your mom? Huh? Yeah, I'm videotaping. You can actually sing if you like.
Say something to the mom. Ate Kayla and Isaiah. Yeah.
I'm having a good time in the
Yeah.
Oh, Kayla. She's so jealous now. Look at this nice nature paradise right here.
Paradise Island, like Hawaii. Come on,
Aloha. Say aloha. Aloha.
Okay. Raise your body. Don't be afraid. Okay. This is what I do first.
Go in first.
No, I'll do it first like that. No? And then, don't like that, I will hold this. Sige.
I got it.
Okay, you get it, baby! Nag-walk man ka, don't walk! Don't walk! O sige, swim. Okay, sige, swim. Oy, walking ka man! That's why I will hold your chin. Yeah, look at Dandan. Yeah. Dandan is swimming. Uy, buhok man.
Did you hear that? You heard it? Sounds like a fart.
Kayo yung katawa. You heard it? You heard it? Hello.
Hi, Auntie Tess. It's nice. Show it. Yeah, that's what you found.
I found a lot, but my collection got away. I can't find it anymore.
Oh, what's our collections?
I know, I have
Where is it? Can't lose those. We work hard to find those rocks. You also want to see some waterfalls, huh?
May dala ka bang damit? May dala ka damit yo?
Meron ako dala.
Meron ka dala. Dalang ka bitaw. Ha?
Hello. We are here at Hindang Leyte Finest Beach. There's a nice island over there.
Wait, I want to say something
All right.
to my mom. Uncle Fox wants to see you, and he said he misses you. And I want to go see the waterfall.
All right. Can you say something again? Anything?
Very good. Wait,